No, but I get calls about this every now and then, if they're selling or what.
You and I have not talked, so every single time you talk to someone, they're probably moronic, idiotic, have no basis in fact or recollections.
Hello, this is Celine.
Celine, my name's Danny. I'm looking at leasing some space.
Oh, okay. I'm driving at the moment, but what kind of space are you looking at?
Very specific. Did you want to revisit this when you've landed?
No, I can talk about it.
That's no problem, Lloyd. We can be classy and sophisticated. Look at the fun bags on that hose hound.
I'd like to eat her liver with some farver beans and a nice bottle of Chianti.
I only represent one space, not the entire shop, so I don't have any information about the restaurant spaces that I've been called about. I only have, I'm only leasing corner space next to the nail salon.
Sure, I understand. So the landlord or the agents have hired you for one space, but isn't it the same entity or are they split up?
It is the same entity.
Okay.
However, they only want me to lease one space. Are you inquiring about that corner elbow space, or are you inquiring about another?
Of course not. I'll explain, and you'll get it real quick here. You'll smell what I'm cooking, Celine, I promise. I'm after the laundry. So I have 36 coin laundromats.
Okay.
And what I do, my partner and I, we scout these locations when we see, let's say, underperforming laundries, right? I mean, let me guess, you don't go to a laundry.
Stamp? You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lloyd. You can't.
No, but I get calls about this every now and then, and unfortunately, I don't know if they're selling or what. And every single time I get these calls, I'm unable to provide any information about it because they're leasing. And
well, let me say this: you and I have not talked. So every single time you talk to someone, they're probably moronic, idiotic, and basically have no basis in fact or recollection. So I own and operate 36 coin laundromats in 3 states. I'm interested if and when the time comes when these people give up the ghost. I don't want to buy it. I'm not interested in purchasing the laundromat business. I see no value in the business rights. The only thing I am interested in is the gas, water, and electric, the fact that it's already built out. So if they stay in that place forever, 200 years from now, and are still somehow leasing it, Celine, you and I will never have anything to talk about. But that never happens. Nothing lasts forever but my marriage. So if they go ahead and vacate or are about to, instead of calling all the idiots and knuckleheads back, save my number, call me, I'll send you an email, and we will do business. The difference with me, I'm going to spend $200,000, $300,000 on washers and dryers. I advertise my stores. I do coat drives in the winter and barbecues in the summer. It's a real business when it's being run properly. And I'm not a franchise. I don't flip or sell my stores. I'm calling on behalf of myself and my partner. There's no franchises that work in laundries. And I was about to say, let me guess, you don't go to Laundromat every Sunday, and so who cares? They're all complete shitholes. Not true. There are great, well-run laundries where we know exactly what we're doing, and we want more stores. We don't want to stop paying the rent in the ones that we already have. I hope that makes sense. What's your best?
Why don't you send me an email?
Yep. What's your best email?
It's Celine.com.
Got it the first time. All right, Celine, I'll fire you off a thing. I will CC my partner, Mr. Lauser, and if something changes there, or you find another laundry that is ready to go belly up, you give me a holler.
All right.
Was I right
Great.
about the
Thank
morons?
you.
Those people you talked to probably didn't have much to say.
Hey! Your hands are freezing!
I know.
Yeah.
I know who they
Thank
are.
you.
Yeah. Eat a whole bitch.
Yeah, thank you.
Fuck you fucking dumb bimbo. It's like back in the day, you're trying to get ass and these bitches treat you like shit. It's like,
Yeah. Yeah, I get a call every hour about that space.
I doubt it. I checked that out a couple of years ago when we first started working together, and it's still the same.
of course. And she has no You heard what I said. I'm like, you work? They're all the same entity. Meaning, in Canada, a lot of strip centers are split, so every suite is a different landlord. It's a nightmare. But she goes,
oh, I only have knowledge about the corner space.
That's because you don't give a fuck. So, Mathis, keep an eye on it. When something changes, you will be the one to hose the bitch down.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.